Shit, I'm finna bounce, so I trippin'. Fit, I'm knocking down his shoes. Only takes one bullet to pop his face. I don't need a dude drive, I'm walking down with my stick. You know I've been pippin', know that only takes one shot to blow up his ball cap. If I see that main nigga, I'm put him on the teeth. Don't ask me why I'm so mean. I got the purple tag, you can see it on my jeans. I got the Louis bag, that's where I always gotta keep it on me. I got the Jordan 4s, you can see it on my feet. At 6th grade, had the heat on my neck, we was catchy face. Anyone try to test me, finna get a bullet right to his brain. I never took on the case, you can see it on my face. Every time you hop out the window, you know we kept it at it. I never popped on the gram, every time you heard about me, I was either catchy face or on me parked out the way, I'm bossing out for some change. 13, had to go get some shells, had to time my legs. Had to stomp on his face, cause I really grabbed it. Free said he went down for poppy shit.
Ayy, we're poppin' shit.